fish intestines, bean dregs, and sawdust. They are rich in nutrients, providing plants with abundant nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and other elements, because sawdust, when wetted, ferments at a relatively high temperature and becomes fluffy. Then comes the key component, bacteria, a mixed microbial agent containing various beneficial microorganisms. It accelerates the decomposition and fermentation process of organic matter, improving the efficiency and quality of compost. The microorganisms and bacteria can break down the organic matter in fish, intestines, and bean dregs. Finally, some brown sugar is added. The role of brown sugar in composting is to serve as food for microorganisms, providing them with energy and promoting their reproduction. Using bacteria and brown sugar helps fish intestines and bean dregs decompose more quickly, making the compost more nutritious and reducing unpleasant odors. We need to mix them thoroughly, allowing them to naturally decompose into organic fertilizer. This can enhance soil fertility, improve soil structure, and promote plant growth. As an organic fertilizer, animal protein fertilizers contain much higher humic acid levels compared to manure or chemical fertilizers, and their fertilizing effect is strong and long-lasting. It is important to note that fish compost cannot be used directly for planting, as it may burn plant roots. Instead, it should be mixed with soil as fertilizer, or buried at a distance from plant roots. Like this. Grab a handful and squeeze it. If it crumbles easily, it's ready. Look at this large barrel. First, spread a layer of sawdust at the bottom to absorb the liquid produced during fish intestine fermentation. After that, put all the mixed fish intestines in and press them down. Then, spread another layer of sawdust on top. This way, the surface won't be wet and sticky. As long as the top layer remains dry during fermentation, it won't smell or attract insects. There's no need to check on it frequently during fermentation. Just place it somewhere and leave it be. In 2 months, we will have nutrient-rich, organic fertilizer.